Apple is once again in the cybersecurity spotlight after researchers uncovered a dangerous zero-click vulnerability in the Messages app. This flaw allowed attackers to silently install spyware without any action required from the user. No clicking, no opening, no warning signs. The spyware in question is called Graphite, developed by the Israeli surveillance tech firm Paragon. Investigations revealed it was used in targeted attacks against journalists, activists, and other individuals considered high-value surveillance targets. What makes this especially alarming is how invisible the attack was. The spyware quietly infiltrated iPhones, extracted data, monitored conversations, and left almost no trace behind. Victims had no idea their privacy was being compromised. Apple has responded quickly by issuing an emergency patch and strongly advising all users to update their devices immediately. This is not the first time we've seen zero-click exploits, and experts agree it won't be the last. As commercial spyware becomes more sophisticated, it raises urgent questions about global surveillance, vendor accountability, and the privacy risks even inside trusted device ecosystems. The cybersecurity community is calling for stronger oversight and more transparency from companies that build these tools. This incident is a clear reminder: no device is immune, and staying protected means staying proactive. I'm Vivian Berry, and this Cyber Update is powered by CybLynx, your trusted source for cybersecurity insight, resilience, and readiness.